This video explores the sacred trees intimately connected with the life and legacy of the Gautama Buddha. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we share more insightful content. The life of Gautama Buddha is deeply intertwined with the natural world, particularly with certain trees that have become sacred symbols in Buddhism. Each of these trees marked a pivotal moment in his spiritual journey, from his birth to his final passing into Mahaparinirvana. The Ashoka tree, Saraka Asoka, revered for its lush, fragrant red-orange flowers and evergreen beauty, is traditionally associated with the birth of Gautama Buddha. According to Buddhist tradition, Queen Maya Devi, the mother of Siddhartha Gautama, was traveling to her parental home in Devdaha when she stopped in the serene gardens of Lumbini in Nepal. It was the month of Vaisakha, May, in 623 BCE. As labor pain began, she grasped a branch of the Ashoka tree for support. While standing beneath its shade, she gave birth to Siddhartha, the future Buddha. The peepal tree, Ficus religiosa, also known as the Bodhi tree, holds an exalted place in Buddhism as the tree under which Siddhartha attained enlightenment and became the Buddha. After years of spiritual quest and ascetic practices, Siddhartha came to Bodh Gaya, a serene spot on the banks of the Falgu river in Bihar, India. There, under the spreading branches of a peepal tree, he sat in deep meditation, vowing not to rise until he discovered the truth. After 49 days of unwavering focus, Siddhartha achieved Bodhi, or enlightenment, realizing the Four Noble Truths and the path to end suffering. The banyan tree, Ficus bengalensis, known for its expansive canopy and supportive aerial roots, is linked with the first sermon of the Buddha, an event that marked the beginning of his public teaching and the spread of the Dharma. Shortly after attaining enlightenment, the Buddha traveled to Sarnath, near Varanasi, where he reunited with 5 ascetic companions. Under the shade of a banyan tree in the deer park, he delivered his first sermon, known as the Dhammachakrapravartana Sutra, turning of the wheel of Dharma. In this sermon, he taught the middle way, the Four Noble Truths, and the Eightfold Path, core tenets of Buddhism. The sal tree, Shorea robusta, is deeply associated with the final moments of Gautam Buddha's earthly life. At the age of 80, after decades of teaching and wandering, the Buddha came to Kushinagar in Uttar Pradesh, India. Feeling unwell, he lay down peacefully between twin sal trees. As he lay on his right side in a state of calm awareness, he delivered his final teachings to his disciples and then entered Mahaparinirvana, the final passing beyond the cycle of birth and death.